Now, I'll show you how to access the Pro feature of CapCut for free. So, let's get started. I make an edit with CapCut Pro features like effects and transitions. Now, I want to export the edit, but I cannot do it because I use the Pro features of CapCut. But don't worry, just follow the steps like I'm doing. At first, select all the clips. Then click on Create Compound Clip. And then also click on Pre-Process. Now, you have to find the folder called CapCut Drafts, because all video files are saved in this folder. So, open the folder. Now, open the folder following the name of your video. You can see that the name of my video file is Tutorial. Now, open that folder. Then, look for the Resources folder and open it. Then, open the Combination folder. Inside that folder, you will find a video. That is our pre-processed video. Now, import that video on CapCut. Drag and drop the video into the timeline. Now, delete the previous clip. And finally, export it. You can now export the video in 4K at 60 FPS without any errors after this trick. You can also check the quality of this video. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thanks for watching.